working on Excel multi-project 1 in GMetrix. Currently we're on project 6 called rock crawling. Task 1 asks us to go ahead and enable the total row on the table located on the quarter 1 worksheet. So to do that, we need to go ahead and put our cursor inside of this table. And anytime you select a table, you get special tabs at the top, Table Tools, Design. And from here, it's very simple. We're in the Table Styles options, and we just need to check Total Row. And notice it went ahead and it put that there for us. We'll click Mark Completed. It then asks us on the quarter 1 worksheet to go and add in the maximum row, which is right here, for column B, the greatest number of successful attempts for the month of January. So easy to do. We're going to go ahead and put our cursor here, and we're going to insert a function. So we'll click the Insert Function button, and we're going to go ahead and click Max, because that's the formula we need to do. Click Go, and we'll double click here or click OK. And it asks us to go ahead and select the range. If you just leave it at its default, you're going to get the wrong return. So we just want to select these, and we'll click OK. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 3 asks us to go ahead and select the data, trail, February, January, February, March, and all of the data. It tells us very carefully not to select either the total rows or columns. And from here, we're going to go ahead and insert a 3D clustered column chart. So we're going to go to the Insert tab, and this is our columns here. And we're going to select 3D cluster column. If you're not sure, hover. It will always tell you what it is. And we'll click OK, or just select that. We didn't click OK. And then it tells us to position the chart to the right of the data on the table. We'll go ahead and do that. Click Mark Completed. Task 4 asks us to go to the quarter 2 worksheet. So we'll go ahead and do that. And it's going to tell us to create a table from the data A9 through E14. So we'll go ahead and select that data. And there's multiple ways you can do this. You could first make this a chart, make this a table, but or you could just from the Home tab go to Format as a Table, because it has us applying a style to it, and it tells us Table Style Medium 18, and we can do that. We have the medium group here, and we're not sure, so we'll hover. That's too much, so Table Style Medium 18. If you're not sure, again, hover so it'll tell you which table style you're applying. And then we've already selected the headers, but that's what it wants us to do. We'll click Mark Completed, and Task 5 asks us to go ahead and change this chart over here on the right and apply the Style 3. Because we have the chart selected, we have special tabs at the top, Chart Tools, Design, and from here, this is your chart styles. We'll select Style 3, click Mark Completed.